Good morning, dear students. In the virtual class, we learned the revision of the plane shapes, and we also solved our second exercise, that is the exercise 10.2. Hopefully that all of you are done that exercise and understood the concept of the plane shapes. Now we are going to the solid shape, that is also called the 3D shapes. Okay, so let's learn that and its property. First, I have to tell you some of the definitions before starting the properties of the solid shapes. So let's learn them, and you have to write down these definitions in your notebook also. An object that occupies space is called the solid. No need to write this one sentence. This first line that will be given in a black that you don't have to write this. An object that occupies space is called the solid. Means one of the object, मतलब आप कोई चीज़ ले रहे हो, आपके हाथ में कुछ है, जैसे कि I have a one pen, means it have a weight also, a space also, so it is called the solid. Solid shapes are also known the 3D shapes, as I cleared to you in the plane shape. The plane shapes are the 2D, means the 2 dimension, and the solid shapes are the 3D, means the 3 dimension, height, weight, and the width and the length. Sorry. So these are the solid shape definition. Before the starting of the properties, let's learn the 4 definitions that will be nearest to properties. First, the part of the solid shape which can be usually see and the touch, it's called the surface. For example, I have a pen, जिसको मैं टच कर पा रही हूँ, इस तरह से आप टच कर पा रहे हो, उसको हम बोलेंगे सरफेस. सरफेस ऑफ द सॉलिड शेप इज़ द कॉल्ड द फेस. इसको हम जो सरफेस होगा उसको हम फेस बोलेंगे. जैसे कि मैं आपको बोलूँ कि ये पेन में कितनी फेसेस है, आप बोलोगे एक कर्व है, वो मतलब कि कर्व फेसेस है. जिसको हम टच कर पा रहे हैं उसको सरफेस बोलेंगे, और जो सरफेस है उसका हम फेस के थ्रू डिक्लेयर करेंगे. द लाइन वेयर टू फेसेस मीट इज़ कॉल्ड द एज. मतलब कि जहाँ पे ये तो पूरा राउंड शेप में है, तो यहाँ पे एजेस आपको इतनी नहीं दिखाई दे, राइट. अगर आप क्यूब लेते हो, जैसे कि यहाँ पे ये है सरफेस, फर्स्ट सरफेस, सेकंड सरफेस, थर्ड सरफेस, मतलब आप बाहर उसको टच कर पा रहे हो, तो वो जहाँ पे मीट करेगी उसको हम बोलेंगे एज. अदरवाइज यू कैन से द साइड्स ऑल्सो. जैसे हमने प्लेन शेप में सीखा था दैट स्क्वायर हैव अ 4 sides, like that. Edge means the one type of sides. The point where 2 or more edges are meet, it is called the vertex. जैसे कि हमने vertex तो ऑलरेडी सीख लिया, कॉर्नर जो होगा उसको हम vertex बोलेंगे, right. So let's start. You have to write down this 1, 2, 3 and the 4 definitions in your notebook, and it's compulsory for everyone. Write down this heading and write down this definitions in your notebook, then start the properties. Okay, so as you know, there are 5 solid shapes. One is the cube, second is the cuboid, third is the cylinder, fourth is the cone, and the fifth is the sphere. So let's learn them one by one. Okay, so here in front of you there is a one shape is given to you. You know this game. This is the shape of the क्यूब. ये पूरा क्यूब है, मतलब स्क्वायर शेप में आप देख सकते हो. दिस इज कॉल्ड द क्यूब गेम ऑल्सो. ओके, सिंपली आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हो. सो लेट्स लर्न दैट प्रॉपर्टी ऑल्सो. सो फर्स्ट वी लर्न द 4 points, 4 definitions. First is the surface where we touch, where we can touch, that is called the surface. Second, the face. The surface is also called the face. Then we learn edge, means where 2 faces meet or the 2 surfaces meet. And the last we learn the vertex. Vertex means what? 2 or more edges meet. So first we are going to identify all the things for the cube. Okay, so first I am writing the edge, then vertex. This is the ruler of the vertex, then faces. Okay, so this is the cube. I also draw this and show you the also with the example. Okay, so this is the cube game and this is the shape of the cube, right? So here we are going to first find the edges first. Okay, edges means the faces where meet. So first we find the faces. Face 1, यहाँ पे मैं touch कर सकती हूँ. 1 2 3 4, 4 sides done. 5 and 6. Already I touched this 4 and 2 are remaining, so there are 6 faces, 6 plain faces. Simple, not a curve faces. Simply you can say that it will be straight, so it's called the plain faces. Then edges means where two faces are meet. So these two faces meet. 1 2 3 and the 4, like that. 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and the 12. Okay, so there are the 12 faces. If you don't understood in the cuboid, then you can count here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and the 12. So 12 edges are there. Now find the vertex. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. That will be also available in the cube. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, so 8 vertex are there, but there will be a no curved face. Curved means पूरा circle इस तरह से, that is called the curved circle. Second is the cuboid. So I draw it first. So it will be slightly longer than the first. So you have to draw the complete one like this. Sorry for that. So this is the cuboid, means the rectangle shape. So here I have my phone cover, that is the shape in the cuboid. So you can find out, but sometimes it will be not called the cuboid just because I don't have a phone here. So you can also take other example like your notebook, your textbook, that all are the shapes in the cuboid. Okay, so let's start the edges, then vertex, then faces. These are the properties of the solid shapes. So edges, so I am going to find here. Same like in a rectangle and the square. Faces means the sides are the same, so same for the cuboid. Edges are 12 and vertex are 8. Edges are 12 and vertex are 8. Here you can also count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and the 12. So 12 edges. Vertex count here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 vertex are there. Now faces 1 2 3 4 5 and the 6. So 6 faces are also there. 6 plain faces and also no curved faces. Okay, so next is the cylinder. So I have one example of the cylinder. You can also take your glasses and other things that will be most available as in the form of the cylinder. So I have one bottle. So here we are going to first identify the faces. So here you can say that there will be a no faces, means simple faces are no, that plain faces are not available. That will be in form of the curve, मतलब वो पूरे कर्व किया हुआ ऐसे कवर किया हुआ फ्रेम में आपको मिल रहा है. तो सो फर्स्ट फेस इज कर्व्ड फेस, वन कर्व्ड फेस. Okay, so now we going to learn the face. Second face is, here you can see at the bottom there will be a simple straight, and at the top that is also one straight. Here I can touch this thing I can touch, so that will be called the faces. So here you can see that will be, it's a straight as well, it is also straight, so it's called the plane faces. So 1 and 2 plane faces, one curved face, 2 plane faces. Then edges, here there will be a face. As we know, when faces are meet, that is called the edge. When faces are meet, it called the edge. So this is the face and this is the सर्कल शेप एज. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो कि ये पूरा कर्व्ड शेप में है. सो इसको हम बोलेंगे कर्व्ड एज. दैट इज सेम, दिस इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड द कर्व्ड एज. सो 2 कर्व्ड एजेस. Okay, can you see that vertex here? There will be a no combinations of the edges. This is a one edge, this is the second edge, both are not meet, so that there will be a no vertex available in the cylinder. So vertex, no vertex. So these are the properties of the cylinder. I also draw this here, write this. Please draw this dotted line also, just because that will be identified as a plane face. This is the curved face. C face means the curved face. You have to write down the name also for that. Then this is the plane face. Plane face. You have to write down the full name. This is the curved edge. Same for that, plane face and the curved face, sorry, curved edge. Only curved face is only one. So this is the cylinder. Now fourth is the cone. So I draw that. Okay, so this is the cone. So first we are going to find the faces. Like the cylinder, same will be here, you can see that. So there will be a one curved face. This is the curved face, and sorry, this is the curved face that will become in the round shape. You can also take an example of your ice cream cone or the top that you play, or simple the cap, birthday cap that will be available if you have, then you can also take example for that. So this is the curved face that will become on the circle. So one curved face. Second, this is the simple plane face. This is the curved face. This is the plane face as we write in the cylinder. So one plane face. Okay, these are called the edge just because two faces are meet, one curved and plane, so that will be in form of the curve, so that is also called the edge. So one curved edge, you have to be remember this all the things. And the last, vertex. When two edges are meet, that is called the vertex. Here you can see on the top that will be a one vertex, so one vertex available for that. Next is the sphere. You can take an example of the ball that you played. Okay, so you can see that I can touch the part that is called the faces, but that will be comes in the round shape, so there will be a no edges, even that will be a no vertex available in the sphere like a circle. So simply only one faces are available, that will be in form of the curve. So you can write down that it will be only one curve faces available in the sphere. So I draw it and show you that. But whenever you draw the sphere, then you have to shade it. That's why that will be not confused like a circle. Okay, so this is the sphere. Faces, one curved faces. This is the face, curved face. Okay, then what edges? Faces, only one face is there, means if there are two faces then that will be meet, but there is only one curved faces, so no edges are that. If no edges are that, there will be a no vertex are there. Okay, so these are the properties of the solid shape. You have to pause the video of every moment or at the last, and you have to write down this all the things in your notebook. Have a good day. Bye everyone. Next time we will solve our next exercise. Bye everyone.